Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your cursor bigger in OBS screen recording like this. So it's a very simple process. First, what we have to do, we have to click on this Windows icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. And then we will going to find out Bluetooth and device. So if you click on that, then we're going to find out mouse. If you click on the mouse, then we're going to find out the option called mouse pointer. So if you click on that, then from here into the size option, you can simply increase the size. After, as you can see in OBS Studio, nothing changed, but when you minimize it and go for OBS Studio, simply come for into the sources, display captures, select it and then click on this settings option. And from here into the capture mode, you're going to click on this Windows 10 and click OK. And boom. As you can see, your cursor size is changed in OBS recording. So this is how we can simply do that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.